Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add Govee to Apple Home Plus using an iPhone. Let's get started. Before we start, make sure of three things. First, your Govee support matters. Second, your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS. And third, you already have the Govee Home app installed and your light is working. Now let's begin. First, open the Govee Home app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your Govee device from the home screen. Now look for settings, then tap Matter or Add to Apple Home. If you don't see these options, your device may not support Apple Home. Once you tap it, you will see a Matter setup code or a QR code on your screen. Now leave the Govee app and open the Apple Home app on your iPhone. Then tap the plus icon in the top corner, then tap Add Accessories. Scan the QR code shown in the Govee app. If asked, allow permission. Apple Home will now start adding your Govee light. Choose a room, keep the light, a name, and tap Continue. And that's it. Govee light is now added to Apple Home Plus on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.